Hey everyone, welcome back to Locally Hosted. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam. We cover AI, machine learning, developer tools, and tech infrastructure.
Today we're looking at something huge for .NET devs. Microsoft just dropped a massive update to their agent skills repo.
Yeah, the .NET Skills repo now has over 3,000 stars. It's not just a library anymore, it's a curated ecosystem for coding agents.
Wait, so this is for tools like Copilot CLI or Claude Code? Not just for humans?
Exactly. These are plugins designed specifically for AI agents. Think of them as specialized toolkits that give an agent deep, context-aware abilities within the .NET world.
Okay, so instead of the AI guessing what a MS build error means, it can use a specific skill to diagnose it?
Precisely. For example, there's a .NET-MS Build plugin. It handles failure diagnosis and performance optimization. The agent doesn't just see code. It sees the build system's logic.
That sounds like a game changer for debugging. How do you actually get these skills?
It's simple. You add the marketplace, install the plugin, and restart. The repo provides a dashboard too, showing accuracy and efficiency scores for these contained plugins.
Let's talk about the .NET-Data plugin. Is that for Entity Framework?
Yes, it covers data access and EF-related tasks. Then there's .NET-Diag for performance investigations and incident analysis. It's like having a senior dev on call for the AI.
And .NET-Ag that handles package management?
Correct. It manages dependencies and modernization. The .NET Upgrade plugin is also key for migrating projects across framework versions and compatibility targets.
What about mobile? Is there anything for MAUI?
There is. .NET-MAUI covers environment setup, diagnostics, and troubleshooting for cross-platform mobile apps. It's quite comprehensive.
I see .NET-AI in the list. Does it do its own ML?
It handles technology selection, LLM integration, agentic workflows, RAG pipelines, MCP, and classic ML with ML.NET. It helps the agent build AI features, not just .NET code.
And .NET-Plaint-Engine. That sounds useful for scaffolding.
It does template discovery, project scaffolding, and authoring. It ensures the AI generates consistent, standard-compliant project structures every time.
What about testing? .NET-Test.
Yes, it covers running, diagnosing, and migrating tests. It handles filtering, platform detection, and MS test workflows. This is critical for reliable CI/CD pipelines.
And for web dev, ASP.NET Core and Blazor.
Yes, .NET-ASP.NET covers middleware, endpoints, real-time communication, and API patterns. .NET-Blazor handles component authoring and interactivity.
Oh, and .NET 11. Is that for the new framework?
Exactly. It provides skills for new .NET 11 APIs and language features. It keeps the agent up to date with the latest C capabilities.
So is this repo just a collection of scripts?
No, it's a curated set of core skills and custom agents. It follows the agent skills standard from agentskills.io, ensuring interoperability.
That's impressive. How does the installation process work for VS Code?
VS Code support is a preview feature. You add the marketplace via CLI, install the plugin, and restart. It's designed to be seamless for developers.
Can you update these plugins on demand?
Yes, the repo supports on-demand updates. You just run the update command for the specific plugin. It keeps the agent's skills current.
What's the main benefit of using these over generic prompts?
Specificity and accuracy. Generic prompts often hallucinate or miss edge cases. These skills provide grounded, verified actions for the .NET ecosystem.
So it reduces the guesswork for the AI.
Exactly. It gives the AI a structured way to interact with complex systems like MS Build or Entity Framework without making things up.
Is there a dashboard to track how well these skills perform?
Yes, the .NET.GitHub.io-skills dashboard shows accuracy and efficiency scoring trends. It's transparent about how well each plugin works.
That's great for debugging the agents themselves. How do you view available skills?
After installation, you use the skills command in your agent CLI. It lists all available skills and agents you can invoke.
And agents? What's the difference?
Agents list the agents, while skills list the specific capabilities. It's a modular approach to building your AI workflow.
So I can mix and match? Like use .NET-Data with .NET-Diag?
Absolutely. You can install multiple plugins. The agent can switch contexts based on the task at hand.
This feels like a significant step for .NET in the AI era.
It is. It moves beyond just generating code to actually managing the entire development lifecycle through agents.
Are there any limitations to be aware of?
The VS Code plugin support is currently a preview feature. It's subject to change, so keep an eye on the repo for updates.
Got it. So what's the one thing to take away from this?
The .NET team is actively building the infrastructure for AI-driven development. These skills are the bridge between legacy frameworks and future agents.
Subscribe to Locally Hosted for more deep dives.
Original source is linked in the description.
All right, that's all we got this week. If this blew your mind, come back next time, we'll probably break it again.
Thanks for listening to Locally Hosted.